I'm Jared Breslin and I'm a junior at Westview High School. My game is called Gravectory. It's a mix between three words, gravity, vectors, and victory. So the basic part of my game is that you are the Earth. You're defending the Earth from asteroids. So I used a lot of equations in my physics class to actually get the gravity to work. And then in the game you play with asteroids circling around you and you have to try to avoid them at all costs. So right now I am playing as the Earth, and the Earth follows my mouse cursor, as you can see. Each meteor is pulled towards the Earth with its own gravity. So my goal basically is to dodge these meteors and prevent myself from getting hit. My health bar is up at the right, my score is in the top left. My score is kept track of based on the amount of time I survive. As the game goes on, more and more meteors start appearing on the sides, randomly. Each one has a different kind of rotation, different speeds, and overall it just gets harder and harder and harder until eventually you can't dodge anymore, and then the Earth crumbles. Like that. And see, I got hit. I had a temporary frame of invincibility, and I just need to survive as long as I can before they just overwhelm me. So when I was making this, I learned that code is like a really interactive process. It isn't like reading a book or writing an essay. It's more actually like raising a kid than anything. Like the code itself develops its own personality. You have to construct it. You have to give it what it needs to be. If you have an idea, you write it down, and then it may not work. So you have to find out what didn't work about it. That's actually the hard part, and then get it to work. So I learned that before I actually started this project, I was highly adverse to code. I really did not want to do anything code related. But then after making this, I realized that I was just kind of suppressing one of my hobbies. I really like to do this. So I learned that I like to do the art part of it, I like to do the coding part of it, and I like playing my game, so it's a really fun project.